Hi boys and girls. Today we want to show you a video that will help you understand the different units of measurement when we're looking at area to what it means when we say squared yards, squared meters, squared inches, squared centimeters, or squared feet. So we hope this video helps you to visualize this. So what does a squared yard look like? Well, here's my yardstick, which is 36 inches long. And you can see each side is 1 yard. So this becomes 1 squared yard. Well, what does a squared yard look like in comparison to a squared meter? If you look at the blue square on the outside, that is 1 squared meter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So you can see 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. The blue square, everything inside is 1 squared meter, and the inside is a squared yard. As you can see, they're pretty close in their size. Let's look at the comparison of 1 squared inch. So here you have your squared meter, your squared yard, and look how small 1 squared inch is compared to those. I wanted to zoom in and you can see that this equals 1 inch. So that means it's 1 inch on each side. Let's add in a squared foot. We have 1 squared foot right here. That means that it measures 1 foot all around. I used my husband's sneaker just to help you if we didn't have a ruler, that this is 1 foot long or about 12 inches long. So you have 1 squared foot, 1 squared inch, and we'll come back to this little one soon. So there you can see a comparison of 1 squared meter, 1 squared yard, 1 square foot, and 1 squared inch. Let's see what a squared centimeter looks like. I usually use a point of reference, my fingernail. So the fingernail is about 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. And if you were to measure this with the ruler, it would be 1 centimeter long. Let's look closely at all three. You have your 1 squared foot, 1 squared inch, and your 1 squared centimeter. So when you're looking at all these measurements now, you can get an idea of the actual size when you're looking the inside, when you were coloring all those squares. Because on a piece of paper, they can't draw 1 squared yard as big as this when they want you to color it in. They have to, use scale proportion. So you have 1 squared meter, 1 squared yard, 1 squared foot, which I used a ruler here, that's 12 inches, 1 squared inch, and 1 centimeter. Hopefully this helps you to envision what these different measurements truly mean.